In today's digital age, small businesses are more reliant on technology than ever before. But with great power comes great responsibility and a host of IT challenges. Are you ready to tackle the top 5 IT problems small businesses face and discover how to fix them? Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 IT problems that small businesses encounter. We'll provide actionable solutions to overcome these hurdles, from cybersecurity threats to budget constraints. So, whether you're a small business owner or just curious about the tech landscape, stay tuned to learn how to safeguard your business. Cybersecurity is a pressing concern for small businesses. Nearly 43% of cyber attacks target small businesses. Common threats include phishing attacks, ransomware, and data breaches. Implement strong password policies to encourage complex passwords. Invest in security software like firewalls and antivirus programs to protect your network. Conduct regular training to educate staff about cyber threats. By taking these steps, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to cybercrime. Small businesses often operate on tight budgets. This makes it challenging to invest in the latest technology, leading to outdated systems that are less efficient. Prioritize IT spending by identifying critical areas that need attention. Consider cloud solutions to reduce costs associated with hardware and maintenance. Leverage open-source software for robust functionality at a low cost. As businesses grow, so does the amount of data they generate. Poor data management can lead to inefficiencies and compliance issues. Implement a data management strategy with clear protocols for storage and access. Utilize data backup solutions to prevent loss in case of failure. Adopt data analytics tools to gain insights from your data. Effective data management enhances operational efficiency. Reliable internet connectivity is crucial for small businesses. Connectivity issues can disrupt operations and lead to lost productivity. Choose the right internet service provider to find reliable service. Invest in quality hardware to handle your business's bandwidth needs. Create a backup connection, such as a mobile hotspot, to maintain operations during outages. Many small businesses lack dedicated IT staff. This can lead to unresolved technical issues and increased downtime. Outsource IT support to a managed service provider for cost effectiveness. Utilize remote support services to resolve issues quickly. Invest in employee training to equip staff with basic IT skills. In summary, small businesses face a myriad of IT challenges. By implementing the solutions we've discussed, you can enhance your operations. Remember, investing in technology is not just an expense, it's a crucial step toward growth and sustainability. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on small business technology. Have you faced any IT challenges in your business? Share your experiences in the comments below.